So, tired of sitting behind a computer screen all day and want to get the best of both the film and visual effects world? How about getting involved as a visual effects supervisor on set from the start to end of any live action film production? Well, my name is Vicki and I was involved in the visual effects and post-production work in TV hit series such as AMC's The Walking Dead, Hemlock Grove, and blockbuster movies like Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy, War for the Planet of the Apes, and Aquaman. In addition, I've also been a visual effects supervisor for short and feature films such as Kafka and Going Bongo. That means not only would this course take you through from pre-production to completion, the steps and actions taken by any visual effects supervisor, but you will also get a first-hand and real-life preview of the tools that I personally own and use as a visual effects supervisor on my past and present projects, as well as pipelines and tricks that I myself have established and used for my visual effects film productions. Talk about the ultimate brain pick. We'll cover the basics of what it takes to become a visual effects supervisor to the nitty-gritty of what goes into your brain and your bag when it comes to film production on set, as well as additional resources and insights from real-life visual effects supervisors on tips, tricks, and how to work with different departments in a typical live-action film. You'll even complete this course by applying what you've learned into 3 practical on-set assignments you'll get a chance to tackle on your own. So, if you're looking to get out of the building and onto the film set and yet not sacrifice your love and passion for visual effects, or even just looking to understand the visual effects process better as a director or filmmaker, then keep your eyes right on me and on this course right here. So, excited to get on set in the name of visual effects? Then join us and the rest of the class as we learn and grow together, starting with baby steps to becoming a professional visual effects supervisor, or in the very least, a really savvy visual effects filmmaker.